Good evening, Professor. So, as we're done with, I've done with the homework 6. So, there are two tasks, task 1 and task 2. So, I'm going to go one by one. So, task 1, let's do with it. So, an internet service provider has three different subscription packages. So, package A, package B, package C. And write a program of Python to the customer's monthly bill. So, I've done two separately. So, yeah, let's go with it. This is my program. I've put the input, enter the package A, B or C. Also the input, enter the number and given the coding over here. Use the define function and if else functions. And by this all steps, I've been printing out the output. So yeah, let's print out the output for this program. So let's see if I select package A and 10 hours for that, it should print out 9.95 per month. So yeah, total bill should be $9.95 per month. So now if I run it again for the another one, package B, so put in 20 hours, it should print out 13.95 per month bill. So it's 13.95. Yeah, let's run it again. So package C, it should print out. We can put unlimited hours, so I'll just put like something around 40. It come out 19.95. So now let's compare with the modification and let's see how it's gonna tell you that choose the different packages. So if I put 40 over here, let's put 45. So it's gonna tell me, oh sorry, my bad. I have to select the package first. So yeah, let's just select the package A and put the hours 45. It shows me that with the current usage you could save $41 monthly a month. By switching to package B, your current usage with your current usage you could save $60 a month by switching to package C. So now let's go to the function over here to calculation. So modification file, it should calculate the amount of money package a customer would save. So I've shown that this much should save every time. So now let's run with the how much he's gonna save for the next month. Like if we select the package B, it should save $41. So select the package B and enter, and 45 hours. So it should give us 38.95 after deducting 79 minus 41. So it's gonna be 38.95. So if I select the usage saved the $19, so I'm gonna select package C. So I have to save $19. So the monthly bill would be printed out $19. 19.95. So I hope everything is perfect. Get great marks. So yeah, this is it, sir. Thank you, Professor.